Welcome to Shelby Exotics. I'm Ryan. We're going to teach you a little trick on how to keep your race car on the track permanently. That involves a quick maintenance trip. Going to Grandma's? And that's how you keep your race car on the road. Here comes Dad.
Huh?
Hey, it's Brick.
Getting on the block.
What's up, Brick?
I want to be on TV.
Yeah.
You want to be on YouTube? Stay tuned. Morning, honey sunshines. What? The wood? Well, it's cedar. So it's supposed to be a little yellow and reddish. Why, you want to stain it?
I don't know. I don't want high maintenance, but I feel like it looks weird.
We can do whatever you want. I think we need to get all of the rocks in first, kind of reevaluate. What do you think?
And maybe even wait until the front rocks are in.
You bet.
I think we should go visit inside quick
Why?
because I want you to see the paint color.
All right.
That we talked about. And then something else.
This is the shit pit. It's not looking so shitty no more. Is it, honey? This is all going, by the way.
What?
This whole package right here, including her.
Oh,
No, what is it? The door.
yeah.
With the skylights and everything. That's all side lights, not skylights. And then this used to be brick on one side, lighter brick, and then red on the other. But it's going to be both the stone situation. So when you walk in here, you're going to see a nice big mammoth stone fireplace. Pretty smucking flick, huh? And the kids, this is a badass room right here. We don't want to overlook this little Jessie. But this is our cool floor. It's actually a drain right there. So there's no, you notice there's no curbing here, which is what I was going after. So pretty slick, eh? And then in here, we're gonna have there's gonna be some wood wall fascia stuff. Same thing in there. So some barn wood. Pull the outside in, that's the whole idea. All right, let's get back to our maintenance. Ladies and gentlemen of Shelby Exotics, welcome. I'm Ryan, and you are watching the aforementioned Shelby Exotics. Today, I totally forgot to video it, but we'll show you. This is my corn container. Right up in there. It does say do not smoke right in this guy right here. So you don't want to smoke in the tank. Around it should be fine. But anyway, let me flip this around a minute. Girls are backing up, they're pros. Look at her go. It's a hillbilly daughter. I wonder if they took the horses out. I didn't never see the horse come out. Did you take the horse out? Where's your horse? Oh, okay. You're just gonna leave him in there? You're just gonna leave him in there? Oh, all right. So back up in here, we got our race car, and these were gonna be a surprise, but you know what? So these are check these out, guys. So we're putting these little Jimmy Johns on here. We're gonna have ourselves some Cunards, otherwise known as dive planes. So those are gonna go on hopefully by next weekend. And they're actually formed carbon fiber, not forged, but formed. And then she's running full on corn right now, guys. 100% E85. And I'm working with a guy right now to get me some E90 so we can run some serious alcohol. And I don't know if you guys have heard her fire up. I know you've seen some track footage, but we used the X4 tuner, which I have over in the truck, and it really was a piece of cake. You plug it into the OBD port, the onboard diagnostic, which is right down here. You can kind of see, this is where my track cord plugs in for the aim display. And back in here, there's just a receptacle that fits the OBD that goes to the X4 tuner. Plug it in, program it, away you go. Matter of fact, why don't we go grab that? We'll show you how it works. While we put the fuel stuff together, I just had, you know, a couple things to clean up here on the old trawler. But man, I tell you what, this thing, at first I wasn't sure if this was a good idea, this whole trailer situation, because it's so big and hard to haul around. I tell you what, it's been nothing but a godsend to have this thing, because, you know, hauling around extra jacks and fuel, and I mean the car itself, keeping that clean. It did come with the wireless winch. So it's just made it really, really nice to have. It's like a camper for your car on wheels, you know? Not that campers are on wheels. I don't know. It's fucking Sunday. I'm tired, all right? So let's see here. We do need to make sure we turn these lights off because the battery will run low. The AC is nice, especially after you get done with kind of a rough track session. You can flip that on and stand in front of it and cool off a little bit. We got an orange horse and white horse here today. Hi. Why? What's the matter?
Nothing. I was just trying to make it easier for Mom.
What are these guys doing? Oh, easy, critter.
For the barn, so I'm out for grass.
You're kind of a sassy little fucker, aren't you?
He's not little.
You're getting kisses.
Jimmy's little.
He gets kisses.
Look at him. He knows it's a camera, so he's putting his ears up.
Hi, buddy.
Jimmy.
You're sassy. Jimmy's very phonogenic. Mwah. See you, buddy. All right, folks, so this is the X4 tuner. Really not much to it. It doesn't, there's some update software that you're gonna wanna load onto this thing when you get it, but just follow the instructions. It's not that big a deal. You guys make it sound like it's something big. It's really not. Oh, I gotta tune my car. Like it's that fucking big a deal. All right, so what we want to do, for those of you that are first joining us, we are doing a special event in honor of our first 1,000 subscribers, which we're already at like 1,500. You guys just fucking rock, man. Rock. Get to 1,000, all of a sudden you're 10,000. Look at that. We're waiting for the monetization. I didn't get to finish my thought on that because I rarely finish a thought. But you have to wait 30 days for your YouTube channel to be monetized and whatnot. But yeah, we're excited about that. So we're going to be doing a event out at Grattan. On the 29th, we're going to be giving away some t-shirts and whatnot with our new Shelby Exotics logo on them. That's being designed as we speak. That will end up somewhere on this little Jessie at some point. But we do have a test session this weekend, but that's more for us just to get the race cars dialed in for the big show. So now this is on here. Do not turn anything off. Now you don't have to worry about it turning itself off. I was kind of concerned with that because, you know, these things will time out after a while. Just chill the fuck out, you know, it'll be fine. It's gonna go ahead and load the tune on there. A little E85 action, we're 5% complete. So we'll be back to you when it's a little further along. You can see we're like 10%. It's only been a minute or two since the last time I hit record, so I just don't want to bore you guys, you know, kitty cats. So just chill it out. While that's doing that, so I got these here from Core Motorsports. Those are the dive planes. They actually came right off of one of Core Motorsports' cars. And I think after we get the front dealie and those put on, you're gonna just think, oh my God, why did you ever not have that? Because it's pretty badass. I'll put a picture on it of what it's gonna look like when it's done. I'm gonna talk to Chris Berry down at Berry Auto Body in Lowell and see if he'll put them on for me. I know Niall is real busy right now, and I don't want to bother him with something that's that trivial as to put these things on. So we're gonna see if Chris wants to get involved, and he's a good dude, expressed some interest in doing some work with us, and yeah, we want to give him the opportunity to do that. So new set of P0s on here, new to me, used overall. They do appear to have a good amount of tread on them, so we'll see how that goes. But I'm not going to be very patient this time out on the track. This thing should not be loose at all. At all. With the Pirellis on there. It just shouldn't be. So don't frick the fuck out on me. So about 47%. We'll let it do its thing. Just in that little bit while we were talking, we're at 68%. Now this little Jesse here will tell you when you're done, you know, to go ahead and shut it off, and it'll leave you no doubt of what to do, okay? No doubt. So we're 72% right now. Through. Life's good, buddy. We still are having some trans temp issues, but it's not going into limp mode anymore. So I'm assuming that's part of the tune. Also, we're getting about 8,500 RPM, which is fine. You guys will freak out, but I don't live in that range all the time. On the straightaway, I give her one. Got to blow the carbon out of it, you know. But I can't tell you guys enough. Between the tune, and I know, you know, E85, a lot of people say only 10%. Bull snipple. Bull snipple. I'm thinking more like a 15% plus horsepower increase, because, you know, if you 10%, okay, 10% when you look at a car that's putting out 526, that's 52 horsepower. That's a ton. So you add that to a proper tune, you're looking at a 100 horsepower increase. And I feel it. I swear on my mother's grave, even though she's still alive. Love you, Ma. I love you. We're getting at least 100 horsepower more than we were. Throttle response and everything else is just snappy. Snappy. All right, we're almost done, kids. Everybody excited? I'm excited. And we got 100% E85 in it right now. We ran that out. See, it's gonna do some wild shit. What's she saying? Talk to me, baby. Service advanced track, full power accessory. So it's doing its little checklist. Service advanced track, full power accessory. Hopefully that's not for real, is it? All right, so now it's saying download complete. Successfully turn vehicle key off. So we will follow the instructions because, well, that's just what we want to do. So turn it off. We want to hit down here. That's it. You can unplug it from the OBD port. Just like so. And then you get all giddy and excited. We don't want to lose this. Make sure we keep it with us. Who wants to fire it up? Me, Ryan, me. All right, these cats are going down to Barry's. As long as he's willing to put those on. Let's fire it up. Yep, we are in an enclosed garage. So this may be the last video you hear from Shelby Exotics. So yeah, I don't have resonators on. The stock mufflers are back there, but that's only because of the exhaust valve. And we may elect to run at Waterford, and they have E85 smells so good. We may elect to run at Waterford, and they have noise restrictions. So folks, that's how you tune. Well, at least load a tune. I didn't tune it. Palm Beach Dyno did. Now there's some data logging. Whoa, there's some data logging that you may need to do. I didn't because Corey had already data logged his, and ours is going to be close. We'll send the data over to him to have him review it. But that's it. You just buy yourself an X4 tuner from SCT, which is sctflash.com. I'll put a link in the description, and that's it. That's all there is to it. You can tune on the fly. So we'll put this back in the trailer. You stay over there, you naughty girl. Red car is down in storage, and the black one is sitting outside at the shop, so she's still being punished. So that's where we're at, guys. Thanks for joining us. As always, this is Shelby Exotics. Go fuck yourself. Talk to you later. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. You know the deal. Like, subscribe, comment. It's just not that difficult. Everybody wants to make everything out to be so damn difficult. It's not. It's not. I wish I were you, and I wish I could race like you. No, you can. You can take your parents' car and go out and race, for frick's sake. Wouldn't recommend it. But you can do anything you put your mind to. I'm telling you that right now. 1,500 subscribers says so. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, that is how you tune your GT350 for corn. Fill her up, let her eat. Make sure you do not have any standard gas in there because the alcohol tune does advance the timing quite a bit, and you don't run lean. You don't want to do that. So kids, I'm going to watch some Netflix. I'm going to chill out. That's our video for the day. So please subscribe, click, like, button, bell, shit, whatever. Thanks for watching Shelby Exotics, and have a good day.